What's up everybody, my name is Micah and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make But while he's gone, I'm going to show you guys how to remove these handcuffs using your shoelaces. First step is to untie both of your shoelaces on both shoes, and then take the shoelace, and stick it through where they zip tied your hands. There we go. And now tie it with the other shoelace. Okay, now you've got the shoelaces tied together through the zip tie. Just move your feet back and forth and use your shoelaces as a saw. And I'm free. Okay, now that I'm free, I better get going before he comes back. See you guys later. Subscribe if you want. Bye.